Myofascial Release Therapy, MRT, is a hands-on technique that involves applying sustained pressure into the connective tissue to eliminate restrictions and restore motion. Instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization, IASTM, is a subset of MRT that utilizes specially designed tools, often made of stainless steel, to facilitate the process. Here's how the therapy generally works. Assessment. The therapist assesses the patient's range of motion, areas of tension, and any restrictions in movement. Preparation. The therapist may use techniques to warm up the muscles and prepare the tissue for treatment. This might include massage, stretching, or heat therapy. Tool selection. The therapist selects an appropriate stainless steel IASTM tool based on the patient's needs and the areas to be treated. These tools come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific purposes. Treatment. The therapist applies the stainless steel tool to the patient's skin, using a combination of strokes, pressure, and angles to target areas of tension and restriction in the fascia. The tool allows for more precise and deeper pressure than hands alone, facilitating the breakdown of scar tissue and adhesions. Feedback and adjustment. Throughout the treatment, the therapist monitors the patient's response, adjusting the pressure and technique as needed to ensure effectiveness and comfort. Post-treatment care. After the session, the therapist may recommend stretching, strengthening exercises, or other self-care techniques to optimize the benefits of the treatment and prevent future issues. It's important to note that while stainless steel IASTM tools can be effective in treating certain conditions, they are just one tool in a therapist's toolkit, and treatment success depends on various factors including the therapist's skill and experience as well as the individual needs of the patient. As with any therapy, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before undergoing treatment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow and stay informed.